In addition to the 10 phonics books your child will read, the set also comes with this awesome parent guide. It's very simple, but it's packed full with super important things on how to teach your child to read. So the first 2 pages are tips on how to make the experience the very best it can be. And the second page is exactly how to teach every step, basically covering exactly what I've been teaching here in this video. The next page is really fun. These are the Dash finger puppets. So you can cut these out. Your child can use the finger puppet to follow the letters and to follow the blending path, and it just makes it a really fun way to incorporate that hand-eye movement, which helps to reinforce the reading for these children. There's a sound guide at the beginning of each book for you to reference, just in case, but I'm going to do the sounds for you so you can hear them, how they should be pronounced. A is in mat, E as in pet, A as in sock, I as in it, A as in pup, B as in bat, F as in fat, J as in jack, M as in man, as in rat, V as in vase, K as in case, G as in go, K as in kin, N as in knot, S as in snake, W as in well, D as in day, H as in hat, L as in log, P as in pin, T as in tag, Sh as in show, Th as in this. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Go ahead and join our Facebook group, the Dash into Learning community, or follow my Instagram for lots more tips on how to teach your child to read.